Welcome back to Trivia Tidbits. How good is your general knowledge? Let's put it to the test. If you are ready, let's begin. Before starting, please subscribe to the Trivia Tidbits channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the smallest planet in our solar system? You guessed it, Mercury. Who wrote the novel Pride and Prejudice? Correct, Jane Austen. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Exactly, diamond. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? You guessed it, lion. Who invented the telephone? That would be Alexander Graham Bell. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Correct, avocado. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? You guessed it, Japan. What is the square root of 64? Exactly, 8. Which famous scientist introduced the 3 laws of motion? Correct, Isaac Newton. What is the largest desert in the world? You guessed it, Sahara. Who painted The Starry Night? That would be Vincent van Gogh. Which chemical element is represented by the symbol O? Correct, oxygen. What type of blood cells fight infections in the body? Yes, the white blood cells. Which instrument is used to look at stars and planets? You guessed it, telescope. What is the longest river in the world? That would be the Nile River. Which animal lays the largest eggs? Yes, the ostrich. In Greek mythology, who was the goddess of wisdom? That would be Athena. Which famous ship sank in 1912 after hitting an iceberg? You got it, Titanic. What is the main gas found in the air we breathe? You guessed it, nitrogen. Which singer is known as the Queen of Pop? You got it, Madonna. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Yes, the pound sterling. How many sides does a hexagon have? You got it, 6. Which planet is known for its great red spot? You guessed it, Jupiter. Who directed the movie Jurassic Park? You got it, Steven Spielberg. What is the chemical symbol for silver? The chemical symbol of silver is Ag. Which continent has the most countries? You guessed it, Africa. What is the smallest bone in the human body? That would be the stapes in the ear. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? You got it, Indian Ocean. What do caterpillars turn into? Exactly, butterflies. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? Exactly, Marie Curie. What is the national sport of Japan? Exactly, sumo wrestling. Which color is formed by mixing red and white? You guessed it, pink. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? Correct, 0 degrees Celsius. Who created the character Harry Potter? That would be J.K. Rowling. Which instrument has 88 keys? Correct, piano. What is the most spoken language in the world? Correct, English. Which planet is known as the evening star? You got it, Venus. Who was the first U.S. president? You guessed it, George Washington. How many hearts does an octopus have? Correct, 3. What is the tallest building in the United States? Correct, One World Trade Center. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? That would be the liver. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Correct, the dove. What is the longest bone in the human body? You guessed it, femur. What is the capital city of Canada? That would be Ottawa. Which natural satellite orbits Earth? That's right, the moon. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? got it! Cocoa beans. Which actor played Jack in Titanic? You guessed it, Leonardo DiCaprio. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Indeed, the chemical symbol of iron is Fe. Which country invented paper? Exactly, China. What is the largest island in the world? You got it, Greenland. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.